wobbly ceiling fan world. So I have joined this game. First I'll look the rainbow one. Is that crazy? Oh my god, what is this? New, wow. Are you hearing any sounds? Oh my god, that would be loud. Oh my god, that wouldn't be happening. That one's going mad. Wow, good. That's one be even more faster. Turn this on last. Whoa. Yeah. This one got a game. I'll turn this one on later. Oh my god, that was crazy. Gah! Oh! Oh my god, I'm flying! Where am I? Wow, climbing on its blade. Wow, one is so big and other ones are not. The other ones are normal size. One is so large. Let me also stop that one. Oh. Oh, I'm turning off this. This turn off so quickly. Okay, guys. Oh, that one's ugly. Others motor look. Do you know them? So yes, guys. Okay, guys. These things always happen. I turn on the black one. Oh! Did you look at that? If I haven't turned on... Oh, set! PAC. That's PAC. This one's so strongly cotton B. Jump onto this one, die. And what is even this one gonna call? The second one, the first wobbliest, and the second wobbliest, and the third wobbliest, and the last wobbliest. This one. Oh my God! Look at that! Wow, good. That's very unbearable, honest, interesting. Wait. The first wobbliest. And the second wobbliest. And the third wobbliest. This one. Oh, cool! Look at that! Oh my God! Wow, cool! Oh, look at this, enormous. And this one. This one not enormous. Oh, no, look at this one. This one is the largest blade having. Cool. That one I love. This one. I love all the one. Let's turn all on. Oh my God. Look at oh, this one, that was not that much wobbly. Oh wait, let's start with the first one. First one shaking. First wobbliest. How much wobbliest it would be? Oh wow. And the second wobbliest. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Cool. Go. Huh? How this one on? Okay. This one is the switch. So that we don't get hurt, the switch is fast. Cool. This. Oh. Wow. What is this? What is this, baby? What is this? What? It doesn't make any sound sense. You will watch it in the video. Oh, good. Look at this one. I like. Oh, what happened to this one? Oh, now it is like that. Oh my God. What is this? Huh? Hey, what a minute. Huh? Wait. Is it like this? Today, I got a hurting thing. I got a vaccine. Okay? Vaccine on my leg. Just how funny it is. No. But how the vaccine feels me, I got a band-aid on my leg. And I thought this. Okay. all are winning so much funny. Oh, what is this? Okay, I can understand this one. How is this possible? How can we make this? How can we make this fun? I am very, very aggressive. I believe this, that. But I didn't believe this one, or eitherly none one. Because how can it balance without even gravity is in Roblox? So wait a minute, how we are in ground? On Roblox, I said, guys. This one? Why am I the unluckiest, guys? Bye.